So today we go for another island. It's called La Gomera. First day we will spend in Tenerife, and then we have 2 days in La Gomera. Beautiful island. The roads are really good quality. I am going 1 day before to meet my friend from Czech Republic, and I have to go because my boat is leaving in 1 hour from Agate. See you later.
Hola, tenéis con todo. Lo colocamos en la línea número 1. ¿Cómo estás?
Me llama yo como yo no lo conozco.
So we just arrived to La Gomera by ferry from Tenerife, and we're going directly to hotel. We leave the bag and then we're going to explore the island. In La Gomera, very famous mirador with this glass viewpoint. Now it's broken, but we can do. And yeah, we continue for Valle de Rey. Cabrón. La Gomera day 1, we finished beautiful lunch in a local fisher place, it's delicious, in Valle del Rey. And now it's time to have a little swim, you know. So far, amazing. The surface here on the asphalt, it's beautiful, and the roads, they have beautiful flow, and it's just stunning, you know. For motorcycles, I think it's maybe the best, you know, best island. I don't know, but so far we love it. We are now in Playa de Santiago. It's coffee time, and so far so good. You know? It's hot as fuck. Cuidado.
Sí, me va a venir, claro. Yo no soy tan valiente. O luego por abajo con el...
Yo. Okay, we are in one of the best mirador I've ever seen in Canarias, because on this side you have this amazing view with a huge barranco, the valley, and if we come here and you got this view. Yeah, what do you think?
This is awesome, man.
Okay, it's Sunday, it's the second day for our crew in La Gomera, and we're hoping that the weather will be better up there in the mountains. By the way, the highest point here it's 1,400. Hey Siri, what is the highest point of La Gomera?
In my realm, anyone can beat anything.
Okay, my English is not the best one. It's 1,487 meters. That's quite high, you know. And it's quite small island. I think it's the 5th after El Hierro is the smallest, and yeah, I think it's actually after El Hierro. Okay, it's quite small, but 22 kilometers in perimeter, and there's a lot of mountains there. It's quite steep, but for motorcycle riding, I would say it's amazing, because, as I said before, you know, the quality here of the roads, it's just incredible. It's not just about the riding, which is spectacular, but you have beautiful views and mountains and everything, green, and the rocky part as well. So La Gomera, amazing. What do you think?
Gomera is incredible.
Ah, I see.
Las mejores carreteras, los mejores paisajes de Canarias para moto.
Para moto, sí. Well, I think it's time to ride. Let's go, eh? ¿Cómo se dice? What's the name of this rock?
Cagando.
Cagando.
Roque cagando.
No, es mentira, eh? No, okay, so we are here in National Park in La Gomera. This rock is called Agando, and it's one of the most iconic places in La Gomera. And now we continue back to the center of the La Gomera. ¿Cafecito? ¿Un café?
En español se llama.
Coffee o'clock. Behind me is amazing a forest in La Gomera, and that feels like you want to stop there and just stay there forever. Great place, great place. Gracias. Hasta luego. And that's it. Last food, and we going
We go to home. Come back home.
Gran Canaria. Now we take a boat from La Gomera to Tenerife, and then we have to go direction to Santa Cruz and go Gran Canaria.
Hey, let's go to Gran Canaria.
Gran Canaria.
Gran Canaria.
Ouais. We did it. We finished the drive between Los Cristianos and Santa Cruz in the north, and we are on the boat to Gran Canaria. Santa Cruz de Tenerife behind me, Naviera Armas.
I feel very happy this weekend. That weekend. Because it was amazing with friends, bikes, and beautiful island for going to the bikes. So you have to come. So no!